7-inch 2x4s. With the core, this is what's left over will come out of the inside. This will be saved to make additional parts with. Well folks, here it is. This is my entry for the Summer's Woodworking Contest 2013. It's a toy train set that is built out of a 2x4x8. The entire train measures 60 and 5/8 inches long, including the couplers. Each car, or most of the cars, are 7 inches long, and they're two 2x4s put together. And then the bottom is notched out and cut off, the top is cut off, the two sides are cut off, and the two ends are cut off, which leaves a core in the center. Here's a little crane, lifts up, turns around, tender, the engine, all wheels turn, and there's your caboose, boxcar, gondola, flat car, another flat car. There's 7 cars total. The 2 flat cars were made out of 1 block. Okay, I hope you like it. Thank you.